The fig continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the fig, and by the olive, by the Mount Sinai, and by this inviolate city, we created man in a most noble image. In the end, we shall reduce him to the lowest of the low, except the believers who do good works, for there shall be a boundless recompense. What then, after this, can make you deny the last judgment? Is Allah not the best of judges? And we see that Alaysa Lahu, about sufficiency. What else do we see that in reference to? But the fig and the olive, the Mount Sinai by this inviolate city. So, Adam and Noah, Jesus, Moses, Mecca, or we could say Turkey to Afghanistan, the Levant, North Africa. Well, I mean, deeper into North Africa, where Africa divides, kind of depends on which map you're looking at, right? Some say by Turkey is where you find the end of it, and Ethiopic, something like that, meant the burnt-skinned ones, and basically people, all those brown-skinned people, well, I mean, people had tans that were Greek and stuff, but, on the other side of the Mediterranean, all those people were considered African in what we would call a continent.